Good morning, everybody. Today, I will teach you English text, how creatures move. Please open your English text, page number 97. How creatures, not creatures. Please remember the pronunciations. How creatures move. Wow, Vishwarup, after many days I have seen you. So please do the class. How creatures move. Creatures means any animals, any living beings, those who are just having life. That we can tell creatures. The lion walks on the padded paws. Padded means you know that some soft he is having. So padded paws. Padded paws, the squirrel leaps from limb to limb. Squirrel leaps means jumps from limb to limb. While flies can crawl straight up a wall. So you have seen some moving of the animal. Lion, human being only can go straight, they can walk. But lion also, they are also moving. So they are moving with their padded paw. Next one, squirrel leaps. Squirrel jumps from limb to limb. While flies also moving, they can crawl. Crawl straight up the wall. And seals can dive and swim. Seals, they are staying in the water. They are a water animal. So they are diving and swimming. Diving means also jumping in the water. The worm, he wiggles. Wiggles also means move up and down. Wiggles means move up and down. All around. The monkey swings by his tail. Obviously, they are holding by their tail. And birds may hop up on the ground or spread their wings and sail. Then they are hopping there, hop by their legs, small legs are, but how they are moving? By their wings, and they are sailing in the wind, sailing through the wind. But boys and girls have much more fun. They live, dance, walk and run. So human being like us, we are blessed by the God. Okay, so we can walk, run, jump. Not only a boy, man, everybody. Because only we can walk, jump, run, everything. But bird, you know that, ostrich, they can only run, they cannot fly. Here, they have given the fish. Can they walk? No. Like the sails, fish, they dive and swim. So all the creatures, they are moving. But the moving styles are different. Not only the moving styles, moving organs are also different. Like this bird, they are moving by their wings. Lion, padded paws. Worms, wiggles all around. Their small wings are there. Seals, they are having, also they are diving. So their tails are there. Fins are there. Flies can crawl. Birds hop. All these birds, human beings are blessed. So they are just walking, they are running, they are jumping. So here, all these are like this padded, limb, crawl, dive, wriggles. That is also some, wriggles means move, up and down. Move, up and down. That only worm can do. Dive means also that will jump in the water. Limb, they are having also some organ, limb. Padded means they're soft. Okay, that is padded. So that is some new words we have learned. Next, here, page number 98, underline all the action words in the poem that you can do. I think you are in class 3. I am just telling you can do the action, you can underline the action words. Like the walks, leaps, crawl, dive, swim, wriggles, swings, hop, wings, not hop, move, run, leap, dance, walk, all these are action words. I am telling that, I have already told, please underline it. And why do the boys and girls have most fun? Present, sir. Dhriti? You cannot see me? Dhriti, where you are? This is... What is the problem? Any problem, Dhriti, Anirban? Why Aditi? Everybody you are telling? Any problem? What happened? Please tell me. Please write fast. What happened now? Good morning. Day and Dhriti, why have you written like this? Day and night, 3, 5, 65, 6. What have been? Why did you do like this? Now, haven't you done this English class? Okay. Okay, beta. Now, please do this. You cannot see me. Aditi, can you see me? Yes or no? Please. Can you write to me? Science class. Now. Now also it is going on. Okay. But it was lengthy, no? So that's why. Okay, beta. Now please do this. Okay, okay. So please, so these moving things. So how creatures move? So here why do boys and girls have the most fun? So only question number 1, only one question is there. Why? Yes, beta, Arindam, you have written, why do boys and girls have the most fun? So the boys and girls have most fun because they live, they dance. You have to write the sentence properly or in the bhakot. So the boys or girls, instead of they, I can write they have much more fun because they can jump, run, dance, and walk. So they enjoy this, okay? And next, match the words in the column. Match the words in the column A and these in the column B. So column number A and column number B, here some moving words are there. So lions, squirrels, flies, seals, worms, monkeys and birds. So here I can write the number 1 lions. I'm not rubbing this, please write quickly. Here number 1, 2 I can write, okay. So you can, I am writing that word, but please write the number. Do the number matching. Lions, Lions, lions. What please? Lions for that. And can do many things, but move like this, okay. Lion walk. Next, squirrels. Squirrels lives. Squirrels leap. Only A, not S, because squirrels. Repeat the answer. Answer is there. Please look at this, Ayush. They have much more fun because I did not rub it. Now answer also. Because they jump, run, dance and walk. I did not rub it. Please look at the board and write. Yes, squirrel that leap, flies, except flying. Flies. Oh, okay, beta. Okay. Flies. What they are doing that? Flies crawl. Next, seals. Seals dive. Seals dive. Then worms. Worms wiggle. W-I-G-G-L-E. Then monkeys. Monkeys swing. Swing. And next, birds. Birds. What? Please tell me. Dive into that crawl. How about it? Flies. Crawl, leaf, worms, walk, so hop. Birds hop. Next, they are telling that seals dive into this icy water, making sentence. So lions and walk. Lions walk in the dense forest. I am telling that, please remember it. Lions walks in the dense forest. Next, squirrels. Squirrels. What squirrels are doing? Leaps. Squirrel leaps. Leaps to the trees, from trees to, or a squirrel lives on our roofs. If roof, R-O-O-F. Sometimes if you are having roof, you can see so many squirrels are there. Also trees. Then flies. Flies crawl. Flies crawls always in our house to the foods. Whenever it sees it smells the scents of the foods. Then worms. Worms wriggle. Worms wriggle. Worms also wriggle. Worms are wriggling in the dirty things. Monkeys are swinging from these trees to another trees, these mango trees to another mango trees to search of mangoes. Birds. Birds are hopping from this. Birds are hopping to search their food grains in our green lawn. This type of, Anushka, you cannot see me. Nobody is telling, beta, and why you are having some problem. So arrange these movements word from slow to fast. Run, walk, hop, crawl. Obviously crawl. Number 3, Number 3, crawl. After that, crawl, then hop, then walk, then run. Okay, from slow to fast. Then underline the letters which are silent in the following words. Walk, first one, walk, L. Straight, H, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, H, stretch. More, obviously, R. Caught, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Okay, U. Or H, come, C-A-L-M, L. Talk, T-A-L-K, L. So these are silent. And here some poems are there. So you can read that. So now, if you are having any problem, please ask me. Any problem, beta? Anyone? So moving words, please remember. Okay, moving words, please remember. Because if you are having MCQ question also, that is also, I can ask. If I think that if we are having some broad question, that also moving words I can give. So moving words for monkey swing, birds hop, the worms eagle, lion walk, and also squirrel's lips. This type of moving words, please remember. Okay, and they are also having some moving, and for the human beings, obviously walk, run, jump, all these things. So please remember, and if you are having any problem, please write to me. So those who are present, please tell me. Arindam Ghosh, Aniruddha Goswami, Abhimanyu Garai, Aditi, Oishi Ghosh, Aniket, Angshika, Anushka Kumari. Anushka, if you are having any problem, beta please tell me. Anushka Goswami, Arindam Bhakot, Ayush Mondal, Vishwarup Murmu, Daksha, Dhriti, Diksha Singh, Dibyanka. Only P you can write. Your name is there. No need to write that, your name. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.